Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into an exciting and rapidly evolving topic. It's crypto mastery, making money with the latest trends in 2024. If you're fascinated by the world of cryptocurrencies and eager to explore the latest trends that could potentially boost your income, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we unravel the mysteries of crypto mastery and discuss how you can make money with the latest trends in 2024. Let's jump into the world of digital assets and financial innovation. Section 1. Decentralized Finance, DeFi, Revolution. Our first stop on the crypto journey is the decentralized finance revolution. In 2024, DeFi continues to reshape the traditional financial landscape. We'll explore the latest trends in decentralized lending, borrowing, and yield farming, and how you can participate in the DeFi movement to potentially earn passive income. Section 2. NFTs and digital collectibles. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have taken the art and entertainment world by storm. We'll discuss the latest trends in NFTs, including digital art, music, and virtual real estate. Find out how you can leverage the NFT market to create, buy, and sell digital assets, turning your creativity into a potentially lucrative venture. Section 3. Blockchain Gaming and Play to Earn. 2024 marks the rise of blockchain gaming and the play-to-earn model. We'll explore how blockchain technology is transforming the gaming industry, allowing players to earn crypto rewards for their in-game achievements. Discover opportunities to invest in blockchain gaming projects or even participate in play-to-earn gaming ecosystems. Section 4. Metaverse Investments. The concept of the metaverse is gaining traction, and with it comes investment opportunities. We'll discuss how the metaverse, a virtual shared space, is becoming a new frontier for crypto investments. Explore ways to invest in virtual real estate, virtual businesses, and other metaverse assets that could potentially yield returns. Section 5. Staking and passive income strategies. Staking has become a popular way for crypto holders to earn passive income. We'll delve into the world of staking and other passive income strategies, where you can lock up your crypto assets to support blockchain networks and, in return, receive additional tokens or rewards. It's a strategy that combines investment and participation in the blockchain ecosystem. Closing, and there you have it, a glimpse into the world of crypto mastery, making money with the latest trends in 2024. Crypto is a dynamic and rapidly evolving space, and staying informed about the latest trends is crucial. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto content, and share it with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring the world of digital assets, keep mastering crypto, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.